Welcome to Haswings. As the year comes to a close, Dubai is once again preparing to host one of the most dazzling New Year's Eve celebrations in the world. From record-breaking fireworks to vibrant street festivities, let's explore what you can expect in Dubai this New Year's Eve. The Burj Khalifa is always the star of the show. This year, expect a spectacular display of synchronized fireworks, light projections, and laser shows. Thousands will gather around downtown Dubai for this breathtaking event, but remember to arrive early if you want a good spot. Another highlight is the fireworks at the Palm Jumeirah. Resorts like Atlantis and other venues host incredible displays over the water. These areas often have exclusive dinners and beach parties, making it a great option if you're looking for a more upscale celebration. Dubai also hosts free-to-attend events, like the ones at Kite Beach and Seef. Here, you can enjoy live music food stalls and family-friendly activities in a more relaxed atmosphere. For something different, Dubai Marina often features drone light shows, blending technology and art to welcome the new year. Wherever you choose to celebrate, Dubai's New Year's Eve promises a memorable experience. Just plan ahead, consider public transport to avoid traffic, and get ready to welcome 2025 in style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel insights with Haswings. And Happy New Year to everyone.